Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your PowerPoint and Office 365 sign-in. Make sure updates are current, because missing 3D assets often follow version mismatch. Once done, restart PowerPoint and check the 3D model's folder path in File Options. This reveals broken links. Then open the slide with the missing model, select the placeholder, and attempt insert 3D models to reattach the asset. These steps both surface and sometimes auto-repair link issues, so act now and don't delay. Next, perform deeper recovery by extracting your PPTX as a zip and inspecting the /ppt/media folder. Locate any missing GLB or GLTF files. Once identified, replace them with the correct 3D file names or relink via insert 3D models from a file. If the package is corrupt, use File Open Repair and make sure to check OneDrive or SharePoint version history to restore an earlier working copy. These fixes restore embedded assets and maintain slide integrity. Finish by saving a new copy and embedding the repaired 3D models so links don't break later. Preview and Slide show mode to verify rendering. If problems persist, clear the Office cache and sign out, then sign back in, because stale credentials or cache corruption often block model downloads. Finally, test the presentation on another computer to determine if the issue is local. This one troubleshooting tip isolates local configuration versus file-level corruption and points you toward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.